What's up guys, welcome to another video. Happy to have you here. So today I'm going to show you how you can create your portfolio in a matter of minutes. So I'll show you how to create an amazing portfolio in a matter of just a couple of minutes. So today we're going to be using an amazing tool called gamma.app or gamma.ai, which is a tool, an AI tool that allows you to create presentations in records amount of time. So it's very easy to use. You want to head straight away to gamma.app and create an account, and once you have an account you'll be presented with this dashboard. All you have to do is go here, click on create new, and you'll be presented with these three options. You can either paste in the text, generate text from a prompt, or import a file. So you're going to go with the middle option, generate. And with this, we're going to just have a prompt where we can enter our input here and tell it what we want to do. So all I have to say is create a portfolio for Ryojima. Create a portfolio for Ryojima, who is a front-end developer. So that's all the information I need to add. I don't need to add more context. I can add additional context if I want to, and let me say using a cyan color, for example. So I just have to add in the information I want, and just with these little lines it's able to generate me a full portfolio. So I can either choose to go with a presentation, a document, or a web page. In this case, since we're talking about a portfolio which can be online, so I'm going to go with the web page. So I'll go ahead and click on generate, and based on this information it's going to generate me that full website, that full portfolio. So here you can already see how it has already created me the different sections. You have Ryojima as developer, the title page, you have the about me, my skills, recent projects, project showcase, and so on and so forth. So it has already created you the sections for it. So now you can choose which type of images you want to use, AI generated or automatic images. Let's stick with AI. You can choose if you want it to be brief, medium, or a very detailed information, which one you want to go for. So we're going to choose medium. Yeah, so once that's done, I just click on continue, and then it's going to generate the website. So before it generates the website, it's going to ask me the color I want to use, the color theme I want to use. So let's just stick with this default color and go ahead. So once you click on generate, it's going to take a couple of seconds to come up with everything, all the information and all the images, and then it's going to be showing you that in real time. So yeah, so there it goes. So you can see it's already creating the web page. You can see it's putting the title, putting the buttons, putting the different sections in place. You see it's putting the information, it's coming up with information about me. It doesn't even know me. It's just based on the prompts that I gave it that is able to generate everything that you see on here. So as you can see already, you have a fully functional website that is being created in real time, including the images, including the skills. As you can see, it's really formatting everything amazingly. So that's it going. So it's going to create, I believe, 8 cards or 8 sections in this case. And you see how it's putting everything together. Recent projects, project showcase, and so on and so forth. So you can see already how you have a full website that is coming into place right before your eyes. This is easily customizable. You can change every section, you can change the colors, the dispositions, and basically everything you can think of. I think there might be some limits in terms of maybe if you want to add a new page, you want to add redirection to different pages, and so on and so forth. Keep in mind that the customizations are not infinite. There are definitely going to be limits, but I think it does already an amazing job, especially considering the amount of time it will take you to do this. To come up with a website like this by coding is definitely going to take you over a day, but we are able to do this in just a couple of seconds. So as you can see, it's really amazing. It's putting all the contact information and everything. It's coming up with generic data that we are going to be able to customize afterwards. So as you can see, it's done. It has built us this amazing portfolio, Ryojima's front-end developer portfolio. You see, I can easily modify anything I want. I can easily change the information that is already present, easily put in what I want to do. This is the button. I can customize the link, customize the style, and basically do anything I want to do. That's it. I can change the information, and in just a matter of seconds I'm able to have a full website, a full portfolio just off a prompt. So guys, there you have it. This is how you can create an amazing portfolio for yourself with just the prompt, and you have the option to customize everything. So once you're done, you can either share this or you can publish it as well. They do have the functionality of hosting the website for you. So as you can see, this is published. If I click on view my site, I can go ahead and see the site it has developed. So that's it. There you have it. You can see it's a website, a fully functional website. It's under your link, you know, your custom link. So I'm sure you can purchase some hosting space. I'm sure you can purchase some a custom URL, a custom domain, so that you have full control over everything. But you can see in a couple of seconds I was able to create an amazing portfolio for myself. I think this looks beautiful. I can modify anything. If I don't like an image, I can either regenerate it or I can change it. So all you need to do is select the image you would like to change. You click on this button and it's going to regenerate, let's say a computer. Let's just say I put in here a computer, for example. It's going to generate an image of a computer and put it in there. So yeah, so that's pretty much how you can generate an amazing portfolio for yourself in just seconds. So guys, tell me what you think about this tool. If you don't have a portfolio, I'll definitely recommend you go ahead and create one for yourself. Just give it the information you need, and it's going to build you an amazing portfolio in just seconds. So let me know what you think about this tool. Is it useful? Is it accurate? Was it able to build something very beautiful? Let me know what you think in the comment section. I hope you enjoyed the video. Catch you on the next one.